Morning children, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to continue our lesson coal and petroleum. Observe sir, coal and petroleum. We are going to continue our lesson. So now we have seen about what we have seen about renewable sources, non-renewable sources, renewable sources and non-renewable sources, exhaustible, inexhaustible. Gas, fuels we have seen, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Yes, resources we have completed. We have completed about exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. And also I completed about natural gas. We have gone through natural gas. This natural gas is available in the form of a compressed natural gas, CNG. You have listened to this word. Have you seen? Have you listened? Compressed natural gas. What? Compressed natural gas. Now, we are going to learn about products obtained from petrol. Here, we are, what is that? Coal and petrol. Coal and petroleum. So now, what are that? What we are going to get? Here, what I said, the CNG means compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Now, see this is petroleum. Petroleum. See what are that? You know just about petrol, diesel, kerosene. See what are these all? Petrol, diesel, kerosene. All these are the petroleum products. From petroleum, we are getting this all. Petrol, diesel, kerosene. What we will get? I'll say that. See, in present, due to the developed technology, we are able to find out many substances. Still, we are able to take out many substances from petroleum. In olden days, there was not that much technology. Is it or not? Now we are having improvised technology. With the technology, we are taking out many products from petroleum. But in olden days, there was no proper technology, no proper instruments, no proper machines to take out those products. So only that product what they developed, only the product what they found from petroleum was, what I am saying, only the product which they found from petroleum was kerosene. Petroleum and the first maximum acquisition. Petrol, diesel, kerosene. Up to that it was stopped. Not because of not improvised technology. Not improvised technology. As now if you go for a present situation, if you see the present situation, you are finding many things which we are getting from petroleum. See, this petroleum, from petroleum many products we are taking out. That taking out of different products, we'll say, what is the process of taking out different products from petroleum? It's fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. What? Fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is the product where various components are separated. See, fractional distillation is the process of separation of various components from petroleum. Follow here. Fractional distillation is the process of separation of various components from petroleum. Petroleum and various products and the process. What we are saying that as a fractional distillation. What? Fractional distillation. So now can you say what we are getting from this all petroleum? What are the products which we are getting from petroleum? Petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax. Do you know that wax? Grease, Vaseline. Again, still well known. Oils, for fuel purpose, whatever we are using that, we are getting still many products we are getting from petroleum products and we will say this all as petroleum products. This we say them all these as petroleum products. Here in your textbook they gave fuel oil, industrial boiler, where we are using for running machines. We are using the fuel. The machine run cheyali. For running the machine, we are using some fuels. For example, our bike, it is also one machine. That machine, for running that machine, what we are using? Petrol. In industries also, for running means not moving. For working on that, we are using some fuel. For example, sieving machine. See, if it becomes hard, what you are doing? You are applying oil. For moving it, see, for all the machines to work easily or for run, for working purpose, we are using some oils. Those are the products which we are getting from petroleum. And again, see, this is about petroleum. And how we will get this petroleum? How we are getting all these products? I'll say this: how these are prepared. We are taking out. Okay, man, these not. But how they are prepared, we will see in next topic. Firstly, about the coal. This is about petroleum, I said, no? Coal. See, from coal, we are getting coke. Not our cool drink coke. Coal tar, coal gas. Coke, coal tar, coal gas. Coke, coal tar, coal gas. See, this is a solid. It is in solid state. This is in a liquid, dark black color. All these are in black color. So automatically, this is the gas. It will be in which state? Gas state. It is in a solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. And have you seen normal coal in our daily life? If you burn the wood, burning of a wood, what we will get? Burning of a wood, what you will get? We are getting coal. Is it or not? It is in which color? Black in color. Is it or not? And see, I said that coal is different to this coal. What is the difference? Means in this coal, the coal which we are using as a fuel, in that carbon component is more. This is important. Why the coal where we are using? Coal especially as a fuel where we are using? In thermal stations for production of current. Coal is nothing but bohu. If you burn the coal, large amount of heat is produced. Following here, if you burn the coal, large amount of heat is produced. That production, if you burn this normal coal which you are getting by burning wood, that coal you see, and this coal which we are using in trays, if you see, what is the difference? Means that from that heat is produced, from this also heat produced. But more temperature, if you see, it is here. Which is more hot means from this. Why? Because of presence of more carbon in this coal. And why more carbon we are finding in this coal? We will learn in next topic. Okay now. So here this coke. Okay, this coke, if you see, this coke where what purpose we are using? Let me say by textbook. Say coke for manufacturing. This is important. Manufacturing of steel. This is for manufacturing of steel. Coke. It is in which state I said? Solid. For the manufacturing of the steel and extraction of metals. Extraction of metals and indi. Taking out metals. Metals, what are the metals you know? What are the metals you know? gold, silver, copper, aluminium, iron. From where we are getting all this? From digging earth. So, in taking out those all metals, taking out those metals, this is playing major role. Coke. Coke. Also, coke is used in the manufacturing, preparation of steel items. Now, again, coal here, coal tar. Coal tar, it is having many uses. It is in a liquid state, black liquid material. It is a black liquid material. It is useful in the manufacturing of many things. Here in our textbook, they give see perfumes, naphthalines in road, tar road. In Telugu, we will say tar road. In your street, have you seen a tar road? On road, main road, have you seen tar road? Tar road, black in color. Which one? See the name. Coal tar, black color, liquid. Synthetic dyes, colors. Again, pesticides, medicines, explosives. Explosives means what? Bombs preparations. Paints, colors paints, synthetic fibers. In previous lessons we learned photographic metals, roofing materials, roofing materials. Like this, see many perfumes here. Coal tar, what we have uses coal tar, especially for roads, for medicines, synthetic fibers, synthetic colors. Again, paints preparation. Following here, what I am saying, ikkada uses roads, medicines uses synthetic dyes and colors, paints, painting, fibers preparation. Following here, like this we are having many uses of this coal tar, and coal gas. What gas? So from coal, while we are extracting coke, in the process of extraction of coal from coal, in the process of extraction of coke from coal from the coke తీసేయడం. While the extraction of coke from coal, this gas is developed. Which gas? Coal gas. In the process of extraction of coke from coal, this coal gas is developed. So now, for this purpose, we are having a small experiment. This is the coal gas experiment. For coal gas, what is that? How is that? And what it does, we are going to see in this activity. Following here, what I am saying, understanding, I think all of you. So now, here. Now let me draw and see here. For this, to know about coal gas, we are doing an activity. Take a stand. Take two stands here. This is one. This is another. Two stands. These are the two stands and two test tubes. These are the two stands, two test tubes. Two stands and two test tubes. Cover it with close it with the one hole rubber cork. Same, this also close it with the one hole rubber cork. One hole rubber cork. I am saying you one hole rubber cork. Through rubber cork, you insert a rectangular tube here. Both of them be closed with this one hole rubber cork. Through that hole, we are inserting a tube which is in a rectangular shape. Rectangular tube that we are inserting into this two test tubes. And now, okay, here this is about just arrangements. Still, one more now. Here from this is first test tube to this test tube. You keep down to the test tube. You keep a spirit lamp or Bunsen burner. Just arrangements we made Now what to do here? This rectangular tube, or else they are using the word delivery tube. What is this tube? Delivery tube. And these tubes, we just name them boiling tubes or test tubes. Boiling tubes or test tubes. Delivery tube, there is both two test tubes or else two boiling tubes, one Bunsen burner. These are the test tube holders. Now, just be arranged. Now, what are the materials? Still, what substances? What are the chemicals we should take? In this, you take coal powder. In first test tube, you take the coal powder, and in the second textbook, in second test tube, you take the water. In first one, what we took? Coal powder. Coal powder. In second one, what we are using? We are using water. Following here, and sorry here, for the second one, we need to know about coal gas now. So for that extraction of the coal gas, here we need to take this in this test tube one more tube. So you can understand now. For the second one, how many holes we should have for the rubber cork? For the first one, only one hole, rubber cork. For the second one, two hole rubber cork. In first one we inserted delivery tube. In the second one, this you can say that is jet tube. This jet tube is opened at both the ends. This jet tube is opened at both the ends. Jet tube is opened at both the ends. So now, what we are doing? Here, see. What we did? Coal powder in first one, water in the second one. Now go on burning. Start burning this coal powder. Now see, some flames are coming. Not flames, vapors. You can see that this is a visible tube. These are the visible. So what is some gases? You can or you can't. See, some gases are evolved while you are burning. That gases what are evolved? They are going through this test tube and entering into this second test tube, mixing with the water. While you are burning, what I am saying? When you are burning this coal powder, some gases are evolved here. That gases are passing through this delivery tube and reaching towards the water. Okay, but what is that happening? As we use this jet tube, it is not closed here. In first case, what we have seen? Firstly, I didn't kept this. But later I used this jet tube. So as here this jet tube is having two holes, openings on either side. So what is that? Whatever gas which we got through this test tube, delivery tube, vapors are entering into jet tube, are coming out. Entering instead of entering, you can say coming out. The gas came near to the water, again it is rising up. It is rising like a vapors. You can see that vapors. Some vapors are coming out. That vapors are coming out through this jet tube. Some vapors are coming out through jet tube. But see, it is visible. It is visible. Which one you used? Coal. So when you burn that blackish vapor you are finding. Coal. When you are while you are burning, blackish vapors are developed here. That blackish vapors are visible. But we need to know what is that vapor. Vapor is nothing but gas. What is that gas? What it does, we need to know. So for that purpose, here you bring a matchstick. Just bring a matchstick here to this gas. Bring a matchstick here and rubbing. Near to this, here vapors are coming, no? Just bring a matchstick onto this, near to that. So what will happen automatically that here you are finding flames, fire, you are finding that fire. What you can understand, when you are bringing this matchstick near to this gas, it is burning. So what this activity gives us information? What is it giving us information? The gas which is developed through this coal. The gas which is developed through the coal has a capacity has a capacity of burning, has a capacity, has a what a property of burning. That what is the gas? We can say coal gas. Coal gas has a property of burning. Can produce a fire. This coal gas is able to produce a fire. Following here, this is about coal gas. What is this about? We are discussing about what? Coal gas. Coal gas. What is its use? We are able to know. Following here, coal gas. It is useful. It is able to develop what? Fire. It is able to develop the fire. And see, what are the products which you are getting from coal? What are the products which we are getting from coal? Coke, coal tar, coal gas. What? Coke. I doubled that. What products we got? Coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Coke, coal tar, coal gas. Coal tar, and its uses we discussed. And see, it is in which state? Solid state, liquid state, gas state. Solid state, it is useful in the manufacturing of steel and also in the extraction of metals. Coal tar, it is useful in many situations, especially here where roads, for preparation of the medicines also they are using in small quantity, in small ointments. And again, what else? Synthetic fibers, synthetic colors, paints. Following here, like this mini roofing, preparation of roofing materials. Excuse me. These are the uses we are finding. Okay, all of you understand what I am saying. And the method for the extraction of different substances from petroleum. What is that? Fractional distillation. The method of extraction of different substances from petroleum will say as a fractional distillation. All of you are following me, no? And petroleum products. What are the petroleum products we are getting? See, just I have given only some. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, grease, Vaseline. Do you know that Vaseline is also a petroleum product? Again, some different oils which we are using in machines running, those are extracted from petroleum itself. Like